Here at the farm, every morning begins with the freshest milk. We take great pride in the quality, knowing it's destined for the finest ice cream. The milk is carefully transferred to our stainless steel cooling tanks, where the temperature is rapidly lowered to preserve freshness for the ice cream batch. To create the perfect scoop, it all starts here. The sugarcane, harvested with precision, is quickly. Centrifugal force separates the heavy cream, creating the perfect thick base for our signature ice cream. The pods are carefully inspected before being placed into these rustic baskets, destined for ice cream flavoring around the world.
From the farm to the factory, we carefully manage the transport of our essential ingredients, ensuring only the freshest.
These vibrant red berries are hand-picked at their peak, destined exclusively for our ice cream fruit batch, ensuring the freshest flavor.
Here at the farm facility, our industrial pumps begin the water extraction process, sending clean, filtered water through these pipes to the production facility.
From the heart of the dairy farm, the raw materials begin their journey, hitting the open highway en route to the ice cream production facility.
This specialized transport carries the raw milk, fresh fruit, and natural sweeteners needed for production.
The temperature of the milk and fruit must remain stable during transit. A quick adjustment ensures the cooling units maintain.
The stability check confirms the tanks are secure, the cooling system is working efficiently, and the condensation is properly draining away from the ice cream production mix.
We inspect every crate of strawberries to ensure peak freshness for our ice cream. Once secured, they continue their journey to the factory.
And with the paperwork cleared, the vital shipment of raw materials continues its journey to the processing plant.
Safety and efficiency are our top priorities. Once the fuel cap is secure and the tires checked, we signal the all clear and continue the journey.
Entering industrial zone for ice cream factory.
Upon arrival at the state-of-the-art facility, every shipment undergoes a strict security check before gaining access to the loading bays. Once the raw materials arrive, they are quickly transferred into our state-of-the-art storage tanks, maintaining the perfect temperature for quality ice cream production.
Welcome to the ice cream facility. Through the chilled mist, you can see the stainless steel conveyors of the intake zone.
This is the intake zone. All ingredients are immediately chilled upon arrival and managed by our specialized team before proceeding to the next stage. The milk is pumped directly from the tanks into these silos, clearly marked as ice cream base milk storage, ensuring a steady supply for production.
Monitoring the flow of milk, fruit, and sugar is critical before the mixture moves to the homogenization and rapid freezing process.
From the input lines, the raw materials are transported to the sorting and cleaning section, ensuring only the freshest ingredients are used.
The fresh strawberries are carefully unloaded by forklift, beginning their journey on the conveyor belt towards the triple wash system.
The sugar intake system begins here. Fine, sugarcane-derived crystals are poured into the hopper, essential for our signature ice cream.
Here the strawberries receive a secondary pressurized misting, guaranteeing a pristine product. This rinse.
As the milk flows through these transparent sections, our advanced multi-layer filters remove any remaining impurities.
As the sugar cascades over the vibrating mesh, any remaining clumps and impurities are separated.
The industrial water passes through these multi-stage filtration tanks. Our team checks the valves regularly.
The fresh strawberries are carried into the stainless steel washing drum, where high-pressure water sprays ensure optimal cleanliness for our ice cream production.
The optical sorter uses sensors to ensure consistent color and size. High-pressure air jets then swiftly remove.
Clean material convergence is key. We combine our fresh strawberries with filtered milk, purified sugar, and treated water.
As the narration continues, we see the meticulous process. Workers carefully remove damaged strawberries.
We now enter the core processing section. Here, the clean base ingredients are carefully fed into the mixing tanks, ready for pasteurization.
The thick, velvety cream merges with the heated milk, beginning the transformation into our signature ice cream base.
The purified sugar is precisely integrated into the flowing milk and cream mixture, dissolving instantly thanks to the automated feeder. The filtered milk enters the pasteurization tank for heating. Once the base reaches the target temperature, it is quickly transferred to the blending unit.
Homogenization forces the ice cream base through this valve at high velocity, stabilizing the fat and creating that velvety, smooth consistency.
The hot mixture is rapidly cooled as it passes through the plate heat exchanger. The chilled liquid then flows directly into the aging tank.
The aging tanks slowly churn the mixture, allowing the stabilizers to work. This process carefully monitors.
Through these precision valves, we inject the concentrated strawberry flavor directly into the chilled base.
The final base mixing before freezing ensures even distribution of flavor throughout the ice cream base.
The fresh strawberry puree is blended until thick and vibrant. Alongside the vanilla extract,
Inside the freezing cylinder, the liquid base is rapidly churned by the dasher blades. It quickly thickens into a semi-solid state before being extruded through the outlet nozzle.
As the air is injected, the semi-frozen ice cream expands. This overrun process creates the light.
Notice the flawless, continuous flow. It's this precise movement that gives our ice cream its inclusion mixer precisely deposits vibrant fruit pieces into the continuous stream of ice cream, ensuring perfect distribution throughout the mix. The initial shaping begins as the ribbon fills the molds. The edges are then cleanly cut by the automated blades before the blocks move along the conveyor. Inside the tunnel, the ice cream solidifies completely. The surface turns firm and matte as frost crystals rapidly form on the moving blocks. The automated blades precisely cut the frozen blocks into uniform portions. These perfectly aligned pieces then move forward to the next stage of production. This rapid freezing process, known as hardening, is crucial. It minimizes the formation of ice crystals, keeping the ice cream smooth.
Here we see the fully hardened blocks exiting the tunnel, the cold mist rising as they approach the cutters.
The new automated system ensures perfect portion control every time.
The suction grippers are performing flawlessly at this speed.
the precisely cut ice cream portions are now moving onto our high-speed synchronized conveyor network. Watch as
The system utilizes laser sensors to scan each portion, verifying exact size and weight.
As the carousel rotates, the precise volumetric nozzles dispense the ice cream. Once filled,
the freshly coated bars now enter the secondary hardening chamber, where a powerful blast of cold air stabilizes their structure.
With high precision, the wooden sticks are inserted perfectly centered into the ice cream bars just before the final hardening stage.
The ice cream bars move through the rich, flowing curtain of melted chocolate, ensuring an even layer every time.
Our unique vibrating conveyor gently shakes off the extra chocolate, guaranteeing a consistent thickness and a smooth finish every time.
The coated bars move through the cooling tunnel, where the chocolate rapidly solidifies into a perfect glossy shell before heading to the precision finishing lines.
Our automated system precisely aligns each bar into uniform rows, preparing them for the wrapping stage.
The final surface inspection ensures every bar meets our strict quality standards, checking for cracks or imperfections before alignment.
Here we see the primary wrapping, where high-speed rollers tightly seal the branded film around each ice cream bar before they exit onto the cooling line. The sealing integrity check is crucial. Our pressure rollers ensure the seals are tight and air-free, with sensors verifying the packaging quality.
Here we see the high-speed robotic arms meticulously arranging the ice cream bars into their branded cartons before they move to the sealing station.
Pallet preparation is fully automated, ensuring every load is uniform before being moved to the quality control area.
The cartons pass through the automated sealing machine, where precise jets of hot adhesive are applied before the flaps are securely folded and compressed.
As each carton passes the digital scale, the exact weight is displayed, ensuring strict quality consistency.
The continuous inkjet system ensures that every product receives a clear, uniform batch code and expiration date before moving down the line.
The temperature integrity check confirms the product has been maintained throughout processing, currently reading at -25.2 degrees Celsius.
Samples are taken from each batch and brought to the inspection table, where they undergo a series of rigorous tests for quality assurance.
The melting resistance test is crucial for stability. As the sample liquefies, the motorized platform will
To ensure perfect consistency, the analyzer probes the sample, measuring both creaminess and density according to strict quality standards.
To ensure the safety of our ice cream, samples are meticulously transferred to Petri dishes. These are then
The panel evaluates the samples for consistency and flavor balance.
The strawberry has a robust profile, perfectly consistent with the control batch.
With the final approval stamp secured, the batch report is filed for dispatch, signaling readiness for shipment.
The data validation sequence for batch 729 is now complete. As you can see, all quality compliance metrics have been approved.
Following the QC gate release, the forklift transports the freshly approved ice cream pallets toward the main storage and shipping area. Here at the loading dock, precision and speed are essential. Our team carefully loads the frozen pallets into the temperature-controlled trucks.
Our sophisticated cold chain system provides real-time cooling data across all storage zones, guaranteeing the ice cream is ready for dispatch.
The inventory system provides real-time updates on all ice cream batches, ensuring an efficient supply chain.
The core of our operation is this high-density racking system, designed specifically for efficient, safe storage.
Our state-of-the-art cold storage facility ensures that every pint of ice cream remains perfectly frozen until shipment. The automated system efficiently selects the specific pallets required for the ice cream shipment, redirecting them towards the loading bay.
From our state-of-the-art facility, the distribution begins, delivering the taste of summer to every corner of the country.
The final seal ensures temperature integrity. As you can see, the internal temperature is maintained at a steady.
And this is how modern factories produce ice cream from start to finish.